And I'm Zoe. I'm thrilled to introduce you to the one of the fastest growing project in crypto, CoinFlow, a next generation Web3 lending platform focused on stable yield, global communities, and decentralized traffic distribution. With just 10 days until official launch, now it is the perfect time to get familiar in that. But do your own research before investing in any kind of that. But before that, must go and subscribe to my channel so that you can be able to get to know about more projects and you can make money. So now furthermore, they have the liquid blockchain lending lead here, so you can see all that. This the CoinFlow is set to officially launch on August 10. All core features will be live on launch day. Get familiar with the platform in advance and be ready to act fast. The CoinFlow is building the global Web3 onboarding platform with a mission to and connect users and tasks via communities, create decentralized interaction layer between projects and users, return traffic and incentive back to their users. You can see they have the phase growth, community expansion plus basic reward system. In phase 2, they will go for the global proposal system, tier 1 referral revenue. In phase 3, they will go for their DAO governance and official proposal system release. Smart contract mechanism is given here. The entire platform runs on smart contract, fully automated, no manual intervention. All action begin with approved authorization. So earning can be withdrawn instantly after each debit. From here, you can see they have on-chain transparency, they have asset control and real-time revenue from here. So do not send funds directly to the contract. It cannot recover contract address, and audit reports will be announced via their Telegram or Twitter channels prior to the launch. So you can see, and on the their basically top right, you can see there is the language toggle given here, from where you can change it to English and Arabic other you are want to change. So the sector direct Telegram support access is also given here. Instant deposit and the withdraw your asset, you can see it here. Your assets are secured by open source smart contracts, no central custody. Funds are settled in second and you have 200% control. Per second yield is given, a unique earning model that calculators rewards every second your funds are always generating. For example, they have against market downturns. Example, you hold 100 ETH drops from 3600 to the 3300, you will get 30,000 unrealized loss. But if the loss, if you choose that 100 ETH were staked on CoinFlow, you would earn 0.5 ETH per day and in 15 ETH per month, which is $50,000 more than covering the loss and generating the profit. But you can see furthermore, they have the proof grant transaction. You can see you can work on that in that way, which is showing. You can see approve a pound transfer token, get income, withdraw to the wallet. You have to approve grant contract permission, debit, redeem, claim or earning, invite, generate personal invite links by QR code. You can see it here. The QR code is given, my invite is link is given. I will copy and share that. You can see you have to connect that with your wallet. I already connect that with my MetaMask wallet. You can also connect it with your wallet too, and you can invite your friends and earn 10% of their earnings, a stream of passive income. They rewards your commission, simple and automated. Stay up to date with the latest announcement, which will be given on their Twitter. You can follow them on their Twitter so that you can be able to make more money in their Twitters too. You can also join them on their Telegram and you can be a part of their team and you can get more that. Finally, the CoinFlow is not just another launch, it's a rare early stage opportunity in the Web3 space. Do not wait until this hype hits. Connect your wallet now, understand the mechanism and be ready to join. Do your own research before investing in any kind of project. This video is an introductory overview. This video is for educational purpose. Full tutorials and FAQs workthrough are coming soon. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get the notified on every update. Thank you so much for watching.